All right, I'm gonna show you exactly how to squeegee a window. First, you need a bucket of water and Dawn dish soap, the concentrated. I get the 3X concentrated. Used to be a fan of GG4, not even worth it, not even on the same platitude. It is night and day difference. The Dawn offers way more slip, and you're able to just really maneuver your squeegee however you want. GG4, you can't do that. It's a lot of, you just can't do that. So, let's start with the awkward window here. These are a little awkward. Again, you can only do this if you're using Dawn soap. You use GG4, your squeegee's not going to be able to maneuver the way I'm doing it. So start upside down. What I'm doing right now is kind of called chattering. I'm trying to get some of the water pushed forward, so I start with a dry edge. Another thing you can do if you really want a dry edge is grab your rag and wipe. And then you have more of a dry edge, you won't cause lines. So you just follow this, come across, boom. So you're able to kind of when you turn, you might leave a spot, but then you just kind of come back and grab it. And with the Dawn, the glass is way slipperier, so you're able to do that. With the GG4, the squeegee would just stick to the glass and you'd be stuck. It's very hard to clean the GG4. And I used to be a GG4 fan for a long time. So, let's do a simple window. Let the window down. This is about as many suds as you want. Too much you might leave a glaze on the glass. Too little, it won't be slippery enough. So hold the squeegee, whatever's comfortable. I hold it like this. I basically pinch where it bends between my index finger and thumb. And then I have these as like leverage. I can either increase the pressure or lessen up the pressure just by moving my fingers. So we cut, called cutting in. Get up to that corner, come across. And what most people will do is start going like this, and then they miss going back on that corner. What will really set you apart and result in little to no detailing, which is time consuming and wasteful on rags, is you need to cut in, come across, come down, and then come back on that corner and grab everything you dragged, because you're going to drag some wet lines when you first start. So now, and every time I just chop the mountain down, that's what I call it, I'm just coming down a little farther until there's nothing on the edges. Now I just have this mountain to deal with. And what I do is I'll be right here, bring my squeegee up, close out that way. There's also another way where you can close out where you're coming down, and you can kind of close out how we did that dome window, close out on the bottom. Whatever works, either way works, it's kind of just a personal preference. I hope that helps. Watch the video over and over again to just pick up on the techniques and stuff, because I could go on and on, but best thing is just watch and just keep practicing.